my new self-imposed rules. So this morning I had quite interesting really, because when I just randomly tip the porridge into the pot, I don't actually measure it. And then I measured out 1 cup and thought, hey, that looks like normal. And one of my rules I'd set myself was half the amount of my usual lunches. So I cut it to half. Then when I got to work, I discovered that I'd left behind my cottage cheese. So my crackers suddenly are just crackers. Now I do have some margarine in the fridge, which I put on the crackers, but that's not ideal. And the rest of it has all sort of gone to plan. So what did I put in my lunch? Let me show you. Crackers with margarine. Oh dear. And what else have I got? Some dates and some balls, but I'm only going to eat 2 of them. 8 rice crackers, 1 apple. Then I had the workout. Now I have got my cycling shorts with me and I am planned to do a proper workout and write a plan up and everything, but I ended up doing admin all morning, and it wasn't because I was sitting around twiddling my fingers. I actually was responding to phone calls and emails and all sorts of queries all morning long, and I actually didn't get to the workout. Got to 1 o'clock and I thought, how am I going to fit this in? And so when my lunchtime client left, I pulled the doors across half and wheeled the bike around the other side so you can't see me from the door, locked the door, sorry, we're closed, and during what would be my lunch hour, I sat and pedalled on the bike. The surgeon told me that I should because it's safer than being outside. It's really freaking boring, but I did it anyway. For 20 minutes, nice steady pedaling, because my go-to default exercise is always swimming, which is not helping because I need to keep the legs strong, and swimming is easy. I need to do something that's not quite so easy. So that's why I did. You know how easy it is just to cancel something and go, oh, I'm not going to bother. Well, 20 minutes on a stationary bike. Pretty pleased because I could have cancelled that and just decided I didn't have time. But I got my shoes on and I did it. What did you get your shoes on and do today? So, if you're following along with me, your challenge today is to do some type of steady state cardio exercise for 30 minutes. And it can be anything you like. Maybe it's walking, or perhaps it's stationary bike, I don't know. Maybe you're doing a class, but the exercise needs to be at a level where you can talk short phrases, but not full sentences without having to take a breath. If you're talking 1 and 2 words like that, that's probably slightly too hard. We're looking at steady state cardio. The reason for that is fat burning. It's the fat burning zone. So that's your target today. 30 minutes of fat burning cardio at the talking short phrases sort of level.